Listen up, family. They say bankruptcy is the credit death sentence, right? Wrong. Today I'm going to show you how bankruptcies really get reported and how you can flip the system on its head to get them removed. This is advanced credit game, so lock in and take notes. Part 1. The truth about bankruptcy reporting. Most people think the courts send your bankruptcy straight to Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. Reality: the courts don't report to the bureaus at all. What happens is the credit bureaus pull the info themselves from PACER, the federal court database. So when they say, "We verified it with the courts," that's false. The courts never send them anything directly. Part 2. The LexisNexis problem. The real snitch here is LexisNexis. The bureaus rely on LexisNexis to confirm bankruptcies. If you freeze LexisNexis, you cut off their source. Now the bureaus are left scrambling with nothing solid to stand on. Part 3. The validation letter strategy. Here's your playbook. Send a validation letter to the credit bureau asking how they verified your bankruptcy. They usually reply, "We got it from the courts." Perfect. That's your trap. Next, write to the bankruptcy court clerk asking if they gave info to the bureaus. The court will write back, "We don't report to credit bureaus." Now, you've got official proof the bureaus are reporting false info. Part 4. Filing the CFPB complaint. With that court letter in hand, file a CFPB complaint against the bureaus. Attach your evidence showing the bureaus lied. If CFPB is active, they'll force the bureau's hand. If CFPB is tied up in lawsuits, even better. The bureaus aren't fighting back hard, making deletion easier. Part 5. Recap and power. Move your full strategy. Freeze LexisNexis. Send validation letters. Get the bankruptcy court's denial letter. Use that as ammo in a CFPB complaint. That's how you beat a bankruptcy reporting and take control of your credit file. Don't let them fool you with the 10 years on your report myth. You've got the blueprint now. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. We're dropping non-stop hacks to level you up in 2025 and beyond.